Welcome to our Staying Ahead of the Wave Crypto Curriculum Series. Today we'll be discussing joining LionsShare Step 2, transferring your crypto to your crypto wallet. In this tutorial, we will discuss the following: choosing your crypto wallet, setting up your crypto wallet, and transferring your crypto to your crypto wallet. Choosing your crypto wallet. Now that you have acquired Ethereum, we are ready for the next step, which is transferring your Ethereum into your crypto wallet. But before we can do this, we must first choose and download a crypto wallet. Now, for Android users who have already purchased their crypto via MoonPay on a Trust Wallet app, by this point you have already set up your Trust Wallet account and you will find your Ethereum ready and available at the conclusion of your purchase. So please proceed to step 3, as there is nothing further that you will need to do on this step if you're an Android user who has purchased their crypto on the MoonPay. The following image shows exactly how you will see your crypto available for you on the main page of your Trust Wallet. Now, for those who have purchased crypto via CoinMama or elsewhere, or purchased via MoonPay but not on an Android device, the following applies. Your next step is to visit the App Store and download Coinbase Wallet as displayed in the image to the right. Please be mindful to make sure that this is the same icon showing on the app you are selecting, as to not get this app confused with the primary Coinbase exchange. This app can be identified simply by looking for the blue square beset with a white circle background that's also beset by another blue circle background, as shown by the image to the right. Now, for this wallet, this is where we're going to need to locate the address where we're going to send our crypto to, so this is very important. Now, setting up your wallet is relatively easy. However, it is very important for you to write down your backup phrase words in their correct sequential order at the start of the process when you're actually downloading the app and then getting yourself set up there. So this is a critical thing to keep in mind, as without this sequence of words, you do stand the risk of being permanently locked out of your wallet account. So please be very mindful of keeping this sequence of words set aside and documented. Now, the following is an example of a 12-word backup phrase similar to the one that you'll receive when you're setting up your Coinbase wallet. Now, transferring your crypto to your wallet is extremely important, because remember, you've already purchased your crypto. Now what you're trying to do is transfer that crypto from wherever you purchased it at over here to your wallet. So in the illustration on the left-hand side here, you're going to find the Receive tab located in the Wallet Icon section of the app. In that Wallet Icon section, there are only 3 tabs at the bottom of this app, and on the left-hand side, you'll see the one that looks very similar to a wallet. You're going to click on that. It's going to turn blue, and then you're going to see the Receive tab as indicated by the pink circle that I've highlighted it by. Now, once you depress that Receive tab, you can take a look at the image on the right. You're going to copy your receive code by clicking the Share Address tab that will come up beneath the QR code in that section. Now, when you click on that share address, you're going to see a couple of instructions, and one of which is going to be copy. You can literally copy that. It'll be saved to your clipboard. You're going to now take that address over to the location that you actually purchase your crypto that's waiting for you to move it, and you're going to actually take that send code. You're going to find, you're going to take that receive code. You're going to find the send tab over at the destination where you have your cryptocurrency waiting to be moved, and you are going to paste that share code that we just copied from the Coinbase wallet into the address window on the location wherever your crypto is sitting at. Once you depress that send, at that point you have shared your receive address with your sending address, and you have established your Coinbase wallet as the destination to send your crypto to. So at that point, within a matter of moments, your crypto will move to and be found in your Coinbase wallet. So again, this will be in the Wallet Icon section. Now, once you see that your new balance is showing, you are ready for the final step. So there you have it. This ends another amazing tutorial here. Hopefully you found this useful and beneficial. So again, the 3 steps to joining LionsShare are: Step 1, purchase your Ethereum, which we did in our first tutorial. Step 2, which we've just got finished completing in this tutorial, is transferring our Ethereum from wherever we purchased our Ethereum at to our crypto wallet, which will be our Coinbase wallet. And in the next tutorial, we'll talk about step 3, which is accessing your LionsShare through your crypto wallet via the dApps. So hopefully, again, you'll find this video very useful, beneficial, and of service to you. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to look out for more to come. And if you're finding us on YouTube, feel free to like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you would like more information about our Staying Ahead of the Wave movement, or would like to find a way to join us here in our LionsShare opportunity, feel free to look inside the body of the video. I'll be sure to leave some information to allow you an entryway in. Other than that, we do believe here at Staying Ahead of the Wave that experience is the best teacher, and we also believe that giving is living, sharing is caring, learning is earning. Here at Staying Ahead of the Wave, you'll have the opportunity to do all 3. So until my next tutorial comes out, you guys remember that, and to enrich your mind is to change your life. Staying ahead of the wave.